Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering error code 3005 on Paramount Plus, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error usually indicates issues related to connectivity or account settings. Follow these step-by-step fixes to resolve the problem quickly and get back to enjoying your favorite shows. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Begin by ensuring that your internet connection is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can lead to streaming errors. Restart your modem and router by unplugging them for at least 30 seconds and then plugging them back in. Connect your device directly to the router using an Ethernet cable if possible to rule out Wi-Fi issues. Step 2. Update the Paramount Plus app. Outdated applications can lead to various errors. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version. For iOS users, go to the App Store and search for Paramount Plus. If an update is available, tap the Update button. For Android users, visit the Google Play Store, search for Paramount Plus, and update if prompted. Step 3. Clear app cache and data. Clearing the app cache can help resolve performance issues. For Android, 1. Go to the Settings. Apps. Paramount Plus. 2. Tap on eStorage. 3. Select Clear Cache, and then Clear Data. For iOS, you can uninstall the app and reinstall it to clear the cache. Step 4. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of your account can refresh the system and resolve temporary glitches. Open the Paramount Plus app. Navigate to the Dein Profil nachweist section and select Log Out. Once logged out, log back in with your credentials. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy settings. Using a VPN or proxy can interfere with the Paramount Plus service. Disable any such services temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Go to your device settings and turn off the VPN or proxy. Try launching the Paramount Plus app again. Step 6. Check for service outages. At times, the error might be due to server issues on Paramount Plus's end. Check their official social media channels or outage monitoring websites to see if there are known service disruptions. Step 7. Reinstall the Paramount Plus app. If the error persists, reinstalling the app might resolve deeper issues. Uninstall the Paramount Plus app from your device. Restart your device to ensure all remnants of the app are cleared. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store to download and install the app anew. Step 8. Contact Paramount Plus support. If none of the above steps work, it might be time to reach out for professional help. Visit the Paramount Plus support website or contact their customer service for personalized assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve error code 3005 on Paramount Plus and resume your streaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful content.